Did you hear about the chicken who could only lay eggs in the winter?
She was no spring chicken.
Why does the chicken coop have 2 doors?
I don't know. Why?
Because if it had 4 doors, it would be a chicken sedan. What do you call a scary chicken?
I don't know.
A poultrygeist. Why did the chicken cross the road, roll in the mud, and cross the road again?
Why not?
He was a dirty double crosser. Alright, hold on, let me see what else we got.
Those are some excellent jokes.
Some of these are long. Alright, I'm going to read this one. A librarian was very sad and alone in the library one day, as there was no one around for her to help. These 2 chickens came through the door. Must have been us!
Must have been!
Screeching,
Next stop, library!
Bok, bok! The librarian quickly got up and gave them each 5 books. The 2 chickens left satisfied. We do like to read.
Yes, I'd be satisfied with 5 books.
Yes. Just a few minutes later, the same 2 chickens come through the door with no books, screeching, bok, bok.
Bark, bark.
The librarian once again jumped up and gave each chicken 15 books this time.
Whoa.
The chickens leave satisfied once again. Then for the 3rd time, the chicken returned screeching, bok, bok. But this time, being suspicious, the librarian gave each chicken only 1 book. Can you believe that?
Cheap bitch.
And explained that they could only borrow more books once they had returned the others. As the chickens left the library, the librarian slowly followed behind to see where all the chickens and all the books were going. The chickens came to a stop by a pond and started throwing the books in water. Appalled, the librarian ran forward to tell them to stop. But she suddenly noticed there were some frogs in the pond grabbing the books. And throwing them back, croaking behind. Read it? Read it? A man was driving along a freeway when he noticed a chicken running alongside his car. We should do that.
We should. Kiki, love me.
He was amazed to see the chicken keeping up with him as he was doing 50 miles per hour. He accelerated to 60 and the chicken stayed right next to him. He sped up to 75 and the chicken passed him. The man noticed the chicken had 3 legs, so he followed the chicken down the road and ended up at a farm. He got out of his car and saw that all the chickens had 3 legs. He asked the farmer, "What's up with these chickens?" The farmer said, "Well, everybody likes chicken legs, so I bred a 3-legged bird. I'm gonna be a millionaire." The man asked him how they tasted. The farmer said, "Don't know, haven't caught one yet." A man runs to the psychiatrist and says, "Doctor, you've got to help me. My wife thinks she's a chicken." "Oh my God, it must be Josh!" The psychiatrist asks, "How long has she had this condition?" 2 years, says the man. "Then why did it take you so long to come see me?" asks the psychiatrist. The man shrugs his shoulders and replies, "We needed the eggs."
And she's plucking nuts.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned. More important chicken business to come.